And we're here live for break number 394. This is 2017 Panini Classics football. Panini Classics football. Let me get this video here posted. And there it is. Now, while we wait for people to find the video, I'm going to grab a quick drink. No, it's fine. All right. Make it a stiff one. Coca-Cola. This nice stiff virgin Coca-Cola. I had my one drink of the month last night around a campfire. I just don't drink. I don't have a problem with it. It just doesn't really do much for me. Sure, when I got a buzz going, it's enjoyable, but I have my own things I do for enjoyment. All right. Came back with 3, huh? What's up, Jeff? We got some ripping to do, so I'm not going to do any more waiting here. We're just going to get all these packs out. I have to warn you now, I might be interrupted during this break. My wife is at her mom's with the kids, doing some visiting. I stayed home. I've been out all weekend. I knew I had some stuff to make up here. But I might get interrupted because I ordered a pizza since she wasn't here to do dinner. And I'm a man and can't cook for myself. I got a pizza on the way. I can cook some, but I take the lazy way out on food often. Enjoying vacation, huh, Jeff? What does one do when he goes back to Tennessee? I think you said you're near Ken. You like the balls. Is it Knoxville that you're in? Like, I mean, that's a cool area. I've been through. I haven't really been to Western Tennessee, but I've traveled to the southeast quite a few times, and I've gone southwest to Nashville, and then I hit up. Is it 40 West or 24? I think it's 40 West out of Nashville. Take it through the Smoky Mountains. It's always a pretty cool drive. About 90 miles east of Knoxville, huh? Man, Tyson, get out of here. We don't want to hear about it. Key West, man. How was that? That one I'm jealous of. Tennessee, that's cool. But Key West, that's a life-impacting memory. I love the ocean, though. I appreciate most of the United States. I enjoy road trips. I don't do much of any flying. If I go somewhere, I drive. Last summer we drove to Arizona, San Diego, and back to Denver. In the middle of the Smokies, huh? That's cool. You ever see any bears, Jeff? 4 days, had a blast. Nice. Well, now Tyson, back to the real world. North Dakota, Brandon. I'm actually interested in North Dakota. I'm curious what's up there. Like Western Kansas is pretty empty, and I appreciate that. I like seeing a lot of different things. I like seeing Western Kansas in the emptiness. So I wouldn't mind actually seeing North Dakota. Let's roll. I'm going to have to look away for a few minutes here. Roll through these cards. Good luck, everybody. Torrey Smith, 49ers. Terrell Pryor, Browns. I don't have a feel for these yet. Phillip Rivers, Chargers. First hit already. Cooper Kupp. This one, rookie autograph. I'm not very familiar with him. Number 2 out of 25. I'm going to look up Cooper. Lots of black bear, huh? Uncle feeds them. Don't do that. What do you feed a bear? Sounds scary. Cooper Kupp, Los Angeles Rams. That one is going to go to Luis Soto. That's your boy, huh? Oh, Eastern Washington. All right, moving on. Went to your high school, huh? That's cool. Luis, talk to Mike there. Jerome Bettis for the Rams and the Steelers. Let's check. Rams, Luis Soto, Pittsburgh Steelers, Crystal Blancy. So yeah, that one will be a actual coin flip. Deshaun Watson, rookie Texans. Dick LeBeau, Lions, Peyton Manning, Colts, Heath Miller, Steelers, Andre Reed, Bills, Kirk Cousins, Redskins, Leonard Floyd, Bears, Joe Hayden, Browns. Filler. Franco Harris is the glossy 288 out of 299. And we're going to get that in a top loader when we are done. The next level, Luke Kuechly for the Panthers. Nathan Peterman. I'll be looking these up. So, here, if you want to take a minute, look up your rookies for your teams. I'll give you about 20 seconds here. I'm going to take a drink. Check out your rookies. I'm not going to look them up as I go. I'm going to look them up when I sort. So, familiarize yourself if you want. Let's get going again. All right, Nathan Peterman, Pittsburgh, college rookie anyway. Ricky Williams, Saints. Carl Eller, Vikings. Michael Strahan, Giants. Dan Marino, Dolphins. Carson Wentz, Eagles. Mark Ingram, Saints. Ryan Tannehill, Gold. Dolphins. Drew Brees, Saints. Peyton Manning's Super Bowl heroes. Peyton Manning insert. That's going to get a top loader there. DeMarcus Walker, a rookie for Florida State. Charlie Trippy. I'm going to rewind a bit. Deshaun Watson, he's going to get a top loader. Top 3 quarterbacks, they deserve a top loader. Charlie Trippy, Bears. Eric Dickerson, Rams. Deion Sanders, Falcons. Jan Stenerud, Chiefs. Tom Brady, Patriots. Alex Smith, Chiefs. Von Miller, Broncos, and a filler. James Quick, rookie, Louisville. Joe Montana, and Steve Young, classic clashes, Chiefs, Niners. Crystal Boyansky versus Luis Soto. Same matchup. Mike Williams, a rookie for Clemson. Boomer Esiason, Bengals, Ed Too Tall Jones. Cowboys, Y.A. Tittle. Giants, Steve Largent. Seahawks, Terrell Suggs. Ravens, James Harrison. Steelers, Alshon Jeffrey. With the Bears, next level gold. Matthew Stafford with the Lions in his college jersey on the back. Thomas Rawls for the Seahawks. Cam Robinson, a rookie from Alabama. Raymond Berry for the Colts. Fran Tarkenton, Vikings. Randy Moss, Vikings. Harry Carson, Giants. TJ Yeldon, Jaguars. Melvin Gordon, Chargers. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Filler and a gold. Rich Gannon for the Raiders. Idolized. Howie Long, Chris Long, Raiders. Patriots. Raiders, Soto. Patriots, Jeff Berry. That's going to be an actual coin flip again. Taco Charlton, a rookie for Michigan. Dan Hampton. For the Bears, Kenny Stabler. Raiders, John Randall. Vikings. Quick rookie numbered. Let me peek at that real quick. I have overlooked these classics. They're kind of hard to see in my lighting. A quick, a rookie. Yep, my bad. 10 out of 299. That one doesn't seem extra glossy, but it is numbered. 10 out of 299. All right, put that over there with the top loader cards. Mark Gastineau for the Jets. Blake Bortles, Jaguars. AJ Green, Bengals. Khalil Mack, Raiders. Classic materials for the Redskins. I believe my pizza might be here. I have to take a break. This Kirk Cousins is numbered 79. Dustin Coney. Be right back. Sorry. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, my apologies. The guy screwed up my order and he had to get on the phone call. So, my bad, Mike. My dog is a really good guard dog. She's loud. She's a good girl, too, though. Anyway, he had to go call the place, and he's got to come back now. Brian Urlacher, Luke Kuechly, idolized Bears and the Panthers. That one, Chris Woods and who's Chris Woods? Bears, Panthers, Matthew White. Gonna be. Only problem is I already paid for it. PayPal. Jake Butt, Michigan, a rookie. Dan Fouts, Chargers, Curtis Martin, Jets, John Hanna. Patriots, LaDainian Tomlinson, Chargers, Matt Forte, Jets, Colin Kaepernick, Niners, Isaiah Crowell, Browns. Aaron Rodgers, Packers, next level. Terry Bradshaw in his Louisiana Tech gear on the back. Stacy Coley, rookie for Miami. Derek Brooks, Buccaneers. Mark Brunell, Jaguars. Bob Lilly, Cowboys. Paul Warfield, Dolphins. Todd Gurley, Rams. Greg Olson with the Panthers. Tyrann Mathieu with the Cardinals, and a filler. Stephon Diggs is a timeless tribute, 1 of 1. Sweet. That one is for the Vikings and going to go to Tim Woods. Aaron Rodgers was numbered, huh? Man, I cannot see those things. Why don't they make the cards a little bit different? That one looks different. That one's big pull. That one is cool. 1 of 1. Stephon Diggs. Nice card. Let's go back and look for this Aaron Rodgers. I'm looking at the bottom, not the top, and I'm missing those numbers. 275 out of 299 on that one, on that Aaron Rodgers. Put that in the top loader pile, and now we can resume. All right, Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Adoree Jackson, a rookie, USC. Marshall Faulk, Rams. Ickey Woods, Bengals. Champ Bailey. Broncos, Jim Plunkett. Raiders, Russell Wilson. Seahawks, Luke Kuechly. For the Panthers, Ndamukong Suh. Dolphins, and a Phillip. Wayne Gallman, gold, rookie, Clemson. Super Bowl heroes, Ben Roethlisberger. For the Steelers, Teez Tabor, rookie, Gators. Christian Okoye, Chiefs. Bo Jackson, Raiders. Dwight Clark, Niners. That's what it is. I'm staring down here. I'm not even looking at the picture of the card. I'm not seeing the numbers because of that. Doug Flutie, Bills. Ryan Matthews, Eagles. So I appreciate you guys helping spot those. Jordy Nelson, Packers. Ryan Tannehill, Dolphins. Elijah Hood, rookie, gold. North Carolina, Super Bowl heroes. Jordy Nelson, Jamal Adams, rookie, LSU. John Elway with the Broncos. Dermontti Dawson with the Steelers. Joe Green, Steelers. Joe Namath, Jets. Spencer Ware, Chiefs. Emmanuel Sanders, Broncos. Mike Evans, Buccaneers. Gold career colors. This one, Peyton Manning for the Colts and the Broncos. That one going to be coin flip and with the Peyton Manning insert. Insert and a parallel there. We're going to give it a top loader. Pre-coin flip. Let's see if we even have to flip that. Colts, Broncos. Louis Soto, Colts. Broncos, Mike Goff. Yes, we will be flipping. Super Bowl heroes, Malcolm Butler with the Patriots. Chad Hansen, a rookie, California. Dexter Manley, Redskins. Brian Urlacher, Bears. Rod Woodson, Steelers. Roger Staubach, Cowboys. Andy Dalton, Bengals. Brandon Marshall, Jets. Allen Robinson with the Jaguars. Steeler Allen Robinson. Also with the Jaguars. This one numbered 25 out of 299 on that one. Another Peyton Manning, Eli Manning classic clashes the brothers Broncos and the Giants. Broncos Mike Goff, Giants Chris Woods. That one also going to be a coin flip. Also going to get a top loader. Manning brothers in an insert. Last little stack right here. Jordan Lewis, a rookie for Michigan. Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys, Aeneas Williams for the Cardinals, Ted Hendricks, Raiders, Jim Kick with the Dolphins, Jared Goff with the Rams, Vince Wilfork, Texans, Jordy Nelson, Gold, Packers, Super Bowl heroes, Joe Montana, Gold version, put that in the top load pile. Tyreek Hill, record breakers, 12 touchdowns by a rookie, team record. That's a cool card. Shock Linwood, cool name, rookie for the Baylor Bears. Roger Craig, 49ers. Drew Pearson for the Cowboys. Franco Harris, Steelers. And Dave Wilcox, 49ers, finishes us out. That is classics. I'm going to go ahead and show these hits first in case people don't want to stick around for the coin flip. Kirk Cousins with the Redskins was classic materials out of 299. And the other one was a rookie autograph of Cooper Kupp. I already forgot that one's going. I know it's going to Luis Soto. We might be talking to Mike Goff on it. And then we had this one-of-one Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. One-of-one timeless tribute. Fun to hit there. The bonus hit. All right. Now, these are all messy. I'm going to get these sleeved so that I can handle them easier. Let's go to top load pile. Now let's go coin flip. Tails. Heads. Left is heads. This one for Jerome Bettis. Rams will be heads. Steelers tails. Tails, that one is. This one going to the Steelers. Let me write these down as I go. Bettis, Steelers. Montana, Steve Young on the left is the Chiefs, so they will be heads. 49ers will be tails. That was not a good flip. Bring it over and show you that this one is heads. So this one will go to the Chiefs. Montana, Young, Chiefs. Raiders, Patriots. Raiders on the left will be heads. Patriots tails. That one is tails. So Patriots will get the long card, Howie and Chris. Now, Urlacher, Kuechly, Bears on the left will be heads. Panthers will be tails. Nope, don't count. Off the table. Don't hit the cards. This one is heads. So that will go to the Bears. Z Bears will be Urlacher, Kuechly. And the Manning brothers, Broncos on the left, Giants on the right. Broncos are heads, Giants will be tails. That one is heads. So that card is going to the Broncos. Broncos get Manning's. Last one was just Peyton Manning by himself. Colts and his Broncos gear. On the left is Colts, so they will be heads, and Broncos will be tails. Good luck. Goodness, I'm all over the place. This one is tails, so that one will go to the Broncos. Broncos sweep the Manning cards. All right, those are decided. Top load these. We got Phoenix break coming up. 950. I gotta break that at 10. So we're just gonna clear that break. And we might have some late night breaks after that one. I'm looking at probably Diamond Kings baseball and maybe Gridiron Kings football in 2015 with these numbered cards top loaded. James Quick, a rookie out of Louisville. Deshaun Watson, this is one of the top quarterback rookies. Maybe we throw in a top loader. Peyton Manning, Super Bowl Heroes insert. Maybe not worth the top loader, but hey, enjoy it. Use it for what you want it if you don't want Peyton. Franco Harris was numbered, all numbered cards. Get top loaders. Alright, guys. Luis, yes. Everything you have will be shipped if you got something for free. If you got free shipping, I'm shipping everything unless you tell me to hold. If you want me to hold and accumulate more, I'll mark you down as paid. If I don't hear from you, it'll just be shipped. I think you already said ship now, so yeah, everything will go out as long as you've either paid or have a shipping credit. Alright guys, I'm off. Phoenix coming up. See you then. Peace. Yeah, Lewis, then it'll all ship together. Yep, I got it.